Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video I want to talk about importance of creating content and why you should get started today. So please make sure you stay till the end, and also if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Sachin and I'll be creating content on how to grow your online business with affiliate marketing, and also I'll be documenting my journey on this channel. So if you are interested, please hit that subscribe button, and also if you want to get started with your online business or you need any type of help with your business, be sure to schedule a free strategy call. First link in the description, so that can actually help you get results much faster. So coming back to today's topic, why you should get started creating content today. No matter if you're a beginner, like if you are starting your business today, or like if you're already in the business not at creating content, so you got to be creating content today. So it cannot be it need not have to be perfect in the beginning, so eventually it will get better. So no matter what, you should get started with creating content. So once I say these lines, it makes a lot of people discomfort, because I was one amongst them. So back in 2018, so when I learned about affiliate marketing, what is affiliate marketing and how actually go about it, so I was not aware, I was quite hesitant to create content. So because I just wanted to hide behind the computer and make a lot of money. And even if I ask this question to somebody, you want to make a lot of money but you don't want to create content, so it's going to be a bit hard, if you do not create content. So you may be thinking oh, I have money, so I'm gonna run a winning campaign, ad campaign, and then I'm gonna make a lot of money. So you can make eventually money, but it's not going to sustain for a long run. So let's consider examples of big brands or any personalities, I'm talking very broad here, just take Netflix. Even if you go to their Facebook page or YouTube page, you see content all the time that motivates you to take action, to buy their subscription. And multiple products, if you are a fitness coach, if you want to sell your coaching program, if you go and tell anybody hey, I have a fitness coaching program for $497, just buy it, nobody's gonna buy it. And I'm going to ask you the same question, when was the last time when you saw a random ad, the dude you don't know anytime, and you just pulled out your credit card and bought that course? It's not going to happen. So for in order to sell online, or in order to make money online, the buyer will see three things. First, he should trust you. First, he should know you who you are. He should trust you. And once he get that conviction that you are the person who is going to help him, then only he is going to buy that product. In order to make these three things happen, content plays a very, very important role. So again, while creating content, you may be having a lot of questions, I'm not too comfortable creating content, and I don't know what to create. So here's a simple solution. So first, you got to decide what product you are selling. So you're going to stick with that product, and that product should provide massive value to people. And once you know that product, and you're going to target those people who needs that product and how that product can help them. So this is step number 2. And then you're going to write down all the points that are your targeted audience is facing, and how your product can solve that problem. So once you have done this homework, and now you're going to create that content around those topics, which we for example, you have a set of people who are facing problem at point A, and you have your point B product that can actually solve them. Now you need to build a bridge that can fill that gap in order to make those two gaps, make those to A point A and point B to reach point B. So how you're going to do, you're going to build that bridge, and you're going to create pillars in between them, and these pillars are your content around that topic. You're going to provide solution to people around those topics. And once you start doing it on a consistent basis, maybe you may not see results immediately, because even I'm talking about this video, so this video may not do not bring me millions on the day one, but eventually it is going to stack up on the internet, and it will do the work for you 24/7. Even if you are not around, still this video will do the job for you, because as long as you're providing daily value on a daily basis, you are stacking up a lot of free value content. And once people build the trust with you, and all you need to do is just ask people to schedule a free strategy call. Just I'm doing in this way, or you can tell to join your challenge. No matter whatever product you're selling, you're going to provide 80% of the massive value, and just you're going to do 20% of pitching. If you do that on a consistent basis, you will see massive results in your online business. a lot of people come online and they see like they don't know what to create. So I just told you a simple formula. You can go ahead and check out your competitors content, and you can see like how they are doing it. Like then you can go ahead and create your own version of yours, so that can actually help a lot of people. And once you start providing massive value to people, and once that trust is built, trust me guys, people are going to come and ask you. Maybe it cannot be on day one, but eventually they will come to you if you are providing massive value on a daily basis, and they're just going to ask you like, give me a link, I want to buy from you. So all the mechanics, let's keep them apart. Don't get into too much like what kind of camera I should use, what kind of editing softwares, what should be my lighting, all that crappy shit. Like it will just, you are just finding a reason to procrastinate that thing. So do not do that. Go ahead and start creating content today. And trust me, if you do, one simple formula I follow is like what my mentor taught is like, just create one video every single day. No matter it is bringing you revenue today or not, but it will eventually do the job as long as you are providing value to people. Trust me, this is the formula you're going to follow for the next 90 days, and you will see massive results in your online business. And if you need somebody to help you with this, like one-on-one coaching, or like if you need any type of help with your business, feel free to schedule a free strategy call. And if you want to connect with me personally, I'll leave my email address in the description. You can just email me and I'll see you like how I can help you. And if you're enjoying this content, if you feel like I'm providing value to you, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one guys. Thank you.